Now it's time to learn how to find your link to your one-on-one video with Mrs. Eulinger. So what you're going to do is you'll find Schoology. You're going to come up here to the top to courses. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to come down here to our course with my picture in it. Okay, so then you're going to scroll down. You can use the arrows on your keyboard or your mouse. And you're going to look for this picture right here that says one-on-one with Mrs. Eulinger. So you'll click on that. And then you're going to find your name, which you should only see just your name. So if you're Peyton, your screen will look like this. And all you're going to do is click on the link. And then you're going to make sure that your camera is on and that you've got it positioned nicely. Making sure that we don't see any red dots, right? So we're going to click those. And then once you're ready to join, you'll click the green button to join. Then you'll wait patiently for Mrs. Eulinger to join you, okay? So that's how you are going to join your Google Meet, your one-on-one with me each week.